Good evening. I'm Sandy Phillips with HK Lane Real Estate. Welcome to one of my signature properties here in PGA West. This home sits on the 15th and 16th fairways of the Jack Nicklaus Tournament Course and overlooks 2 lakes. You'll love the views.
Here's an exceptional Legends plan with the ultimate lake, golf course, and mountain views. You'll love the pool and spa with cascading waterfalls overlooking the beautiful sparkling lake setting. Enter this pristine designer home through a private landscape courtyard and a stained glass entry door. Tastefully decorated throughout, there are Brazilian coal wood floors in the bedrooms, tumbled travertine floors in the casita, built-ins, and a Granite Island gourmet kitchen. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, furnished per inventory.
I'd be happy to give you a private tour of this home, or to see any of my other listings, please visit my website at sandyphillips.com.